This is how you can add MX records in Hostinger. So step one is you're going to log into your hPanel from the hpanel.hostinger.com. And then from here, you're going to look over to your left side panel and then click on domains. Now under domains, you're going to have to click on domain portfolio. Now from here, you're going to find the domain that you want to add MX records to. And then from there, you're going to click on this three dots at the right side of your screen. And then you're going to click on edit DNS zone. Now once you're on the DNS zone editor, you're going to head over to this section which says manage DNS records. Now from there, you're going to type in, or you're going to look for the MX type, and then from there you're just going to have to add your name, the mail server priority, and then TTL. So this is where you can add your new MX records. Like for Google, you can add aspmx.l.google.com priority 1 plus others. So let's just do that. So for example, I want to add this like the Google one, and then I'm going to add this mail server that says aspmx.l.google.com, and then from there we're going to click on, or we're going to type in 1, and then for the TTL we can just leave it as that, and then we can just hit on add record. Now after that, you're just gonna have to save changes and then wait for the DNS propagation. So for some, it may take just a while for it to be audited, but for some it may take a bit, like 24 hours, but you're gonna have to wait for a bit and then it will be approved soon enough. And that's it. That is how you can add MX records in Hostinger domain. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.